Good morning. I'm actually about to book the A380 Double Suite Singapore Airlines flight using points, and I'm out here in the Hyatt in Guadalajara that I'm staying completely for free using points. So this video is gonna be full of value. To start, let's make sure that we have enough points on my account. As you can see here, I have 196,000 miles, which I transferred from my American Express account over to Singapore Airlines. I did do my research on the date availability, so I know for a fact that I can fly from Singapore, Delhi in India on November 28th, one way, on first class suite, 2 members search. And as you can see here, it takes 98,000 points per person for this 6-hour flight. Regular price is over $4,000 or $5,000 per seat, and obviously we're not gonna pay that much. So I'm gonna go ahead and select 98,000. Click on continue. I will select the only option, which is the suite. Click on continue. Perfect. So my information is already preloaded. I do have to fill out my passport information, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And once we fill out our information here, as you can see, I have my personal info, Danny's info. We'll go straight to payment. Verify the name and email address. Perfect. And again, this is a summary: 196,000 miles plus $124 Singapore currency. So I did do a quick search, Singapore to USD, and 124 Singapore equals to $92. So for $92 plus those 98,000 miles, I'm gonna be able to take the flight that's over $4,000. Scroll down to my credit card on file, and once I fill out my billing address, I will click on make payment, again for $96, and booking confirm. I have confirmed my flight with the 80 Double Suite from Singapore to Delhi, India on November 28th. And this is going to be a great experience with the double bed, which turns into a queen size bed in the plane. So really excited. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and we'll see you on the other side.